are the best ways to whiten your teeth at home? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, the home remedies, does that mean that you can skip your dentist appointment? No, the dentist appointment cannot be skipped even if you're watching this video and you get to know how to whiten your teeth at home. Before going into the actual thing, let's just know that the least important thing for your teeth is to whiten them. Having a healthy gum and a healthy teeth is much more important than having a white teeth. So let's just find out which are the two best ways to whiten your tooth when you're at home. Number one, it's the white strips. So you get these white strips over the counter, you can buy them and you can apply it. You just get them like small strips which can be put on your tooth surface, leave it for 10 to 15 minutes depending on what is recommended on the box. So every other product, every different company will have a different timeline. So I can specify it to be exactly 10 or 15 minutes. You need to read the guidelines which is given on the white strips and then use them. But if you are a patient who's having a lot of saliva and the strips are finding it very difficult to stick onto your tooth surface, then you are not good to go with the white strips. The white strips actually have the peroxides in them, and depending on the quantity and the quality of the peroxide which is present, the time will vary, the usage will vary, the color will vary. And even in case of white strips, you have a lot of them which can give you different kind of color like pure white, ivory white, off-white, you have lots of them. So whatever you choose, it'll all depend on so many things, not just the factor that you're using it for how much time. So read on to the guidelines, find out which one is best for you and then buy them. There are a lot of variables in this case, and along with that, the time, the duration, plus sometimes you might have to apply it multiple times in order to get the actual color that you want to have. But you need to remember that all these strips, they contain the peroxide, and the peroxide, some patients will have increased sensitivity because of the use of peroxides. So just find out which is the best one for you, because the more the peroxide, it's saying that the sensitivity will increase on the tooth surface. So the less the peroxide, maybe the duration might be longer, but that might be better for you, because if you are having a very sensitive tooth, it's going to be very, very difficult for you. Which is the second way. If you are a patient who is having very difficulty and is not in a mood to stick onto these white strips and wait for it to act, then, and sticking to the tooth when increased saliva is there, then that becomes very difficult for you. Then what you need to go and do is go and get customized trays made done for you. Now that's not a 100% home remedy, because to make the customized trays, you will have to visit a dentist. They're going to take the measurement and they're going to make a tray which is going to fit you well. But that's just one visit. It might be slightly expensive than the white strips that you just get over the counter. But once you get it, this can be kept at home, used for your convenience, and the payment that you're giving is actually for your ease. So you get the whitening materials which can be purchased from the dental office preferably. Nowadays, some of the dental setups may not have it, but definitely ask your dentist which is the best one, which is the best material for you to use as the whitening material. Like onto the tray, you need to take your dental tray, you need to apply the whitening material into that and place it in the mouth, and like I previously told, the time and the duration depends totally on the product. There are a lot of companies who are making them, but like I said, the peroxide is not very good when it is in a very higher quantity. So ask your dentist, confirm with them, and the advantage of having a customized tray is that you can use it even in the night, you can use it whenever you want to. It completely depends on you once you get the trays. Only one visit to the dentist. Please don't Google the material and just start using something randomly. It's always best to consult your dentist. It might take you just 1 hour to make a customized tray and ask them which is the product better to use. So don't Google out, just find out some product, random product, and start using them, because peroxide on a larger quantity is not good for the teeth. So remember that the home remedies are there, but it is not a replacement for what your dentist can do for you. So that's all for now. Start using the home remedies and try it out once just to know how it is, whether it works for you or not. Please ask me any doubts. If there's anything, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.